Okay, this is a nice creek here. I think it's Quinn Creek, but it's got nice views on it. It's kind of dry right now. It used to run real hard, but it doesn't do that anymore. And there's a sign here. It tells you what's going on. If you want to read that. Enjoy!
Okay.
I don't know if he needs any help or something, look like.
We don't have any water to give him.
Yeah, we do.
We do?
Yeah. Need any help or?
No, we got her, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. I only need this so I can see the camera. I can fit over the sunglasses. These, when I put the glasses on, they're weird. We took a video of it, but I don't know if you copied it or not. Oops, stuff.
He was going to go up the truck route.
No, I turned my left turn signal on.